All right, let's get started with Power Automate Flow. Let's set it up, and we're gonna start from Google, and we're gonna see every step of the way. So all we have to do is type into Google Microsoft Power Automate and click on the first link. We're gonna click on Start for free. We will be redirected to this Power Platform capability. So these are different components of the Power Platform that we've seen in the previous chapters. We have Power Apps, we have Power BI, Power Apps to build dynamic applications with no code, Power BI to visualize reports and do analytics, Power Automate that we will be using, and Power Virtual Agents to build chatbots. Now, it is important to say that all of these technologies work best when combined together so that we can complete and create really end-to-end applications. So with Power Apps, we could build an application that, for example, takes pictures of invoices or medical receipts. We can automate the extraction with Power Automate. We can communicate the results with virtual agents, and we can visualize all of the flow and all of the data in Power BI. That is amazing, that is great, and that is truly the power of automation and the Power Platform. Now let's dive into Power Automate and see how we can set up our free account. Now, what is a requirement for Power Automate Flow is that we set up a Microsoft account. So we have to have a Microsoft account either from our company, or we have to set up one from ourselves. If we decide to use a different account, such as for a personal domain like processlens.whatever.com or something like that, we can, but we will have limited functionalities and capabilities, such as we won't have access to OneDrive or any of the Microsoft services out there. So with that in mind, let's log in and let's dive into Power Automate Flow. Once you have created your account and logged in, this will be the page that you are presented with. You will not have any of the flows that I have here. This is what you will have. Now, this is everything that is required to set up Microsoft Power Automate Flow. Right now, we can start building our flows immediately.